Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change email on TikTok. So first things first, you have to simply open your TikTok application and make sure that you're using the latest version of your TikTok application. Now here you need to locate your profile, so you have to click on your profile that can be found at the bottom right corner. So click your profile right here. And then after that, here on your profile, what you're going to do next is you have to locate your settings and privacy. The settings and privacy can be found at the top right corner, which is the three lines right here. So tap this three lines. And then after that, click on settings and privacy. Here on the settings and privacy, what you're going to do next is you have to look for the account or account information. So tap on account right here, click this one, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now here in the account, you will see the following options, and what you're going to do is tap on account information. Here in the account information, you should see this email. So you have to click this one and then tap on change email. So click change email and then enter the new email address that you want to add to your TikTok account. Make sure that this one is working email address. So when TikTok send a code, then you will receive that code and enter the code right here to make sure that you're the one who's using this email address. So basically, that's it. Once done, then you can now go back to your account information and you will see that your TikTok email address has been changed. So that's how easy it is to change email on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.